Hi guys, my name is Daisy. Today's episode breaks the wheel throwing process into 5 steps. So let's do it.
Once you secure the clay to the wheel head, get the wheel spinning as fast as it can go, wet your hands in the clay, and create a cone. This is step 1. Use the palms of your hands to create pressure on either side of your cone. Always start at the base and slide to the top. There's more clay at the bottom, so you'll need more pressure at the base. As you slide up, lessen the pressure until you release the clay. Don't slow down the wheel. Keep the speed consistent. It must go fast and your hands must go slow, and release gently at the top. This is called coning. You just made a cone. This helps stretch the clay and bring it closer to center. Moving on to step 2. Place your left hand on the side, right hand on the top. Both start with equal amounts of pressure. Your left hand creates a wall. Your right hand karate chops down. Left hand in, right hand down, compressing the clay. If the clay spreads too much, you need more pressure from the left hand. It is so important to center correctly so that the clay will respond well to the circular motion of the wheel. If you're having trouble, I will link a video I made specifically on centering in the description. We are aiming for a hockey puck. You'll soon become familiar with how centered clay feels. Step 3. Use your index finger to drill an opening in the center of your clay. Even though I call this one a donut, do not drill through the bottom. Leave a bit of clay at the base. Otherwise, you might unintentionally make a planter. In step 4, you'll stretch the donut into a hollow form. Form a claw with your finger to grip the clay and pull it toward you gently. The process you see in step 5 is called pulling. This part is easier if you imagine your wheel as a big clock. Your hands should stay at the 4 o'clock position. Otherwise, you may be fighting against your wheel. Your hands need to move together. They work better that way. At this point, your wheel should also slow down to medium speed. My left hand is inside the cylinder providing support with a couple fingers. My right hand is creating pressure to move the clay from the base to the top. This makes my cylinder taller. Be patient. This is a slow process. This video is set up so that you can view it quickly. In reality, wheel throwing is a task that requires concentration and stillness. This is one of the reasons why people love pottery. It's relaxing, once you get the hang of it, of course. Be sure to practice these 5 steps because they are the foundation of throwing on the wheel. Once you're able to throw a cylinder, you can make just about anything. A cup, a bowl, a vase. You can create all sorts of things by altering the vessel you make before or after you take it off the wheel. Sky's the limit.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Next time I'm going to show you how I make something on a smaller scale. And I hope to see you then. Bye!
When I first arrived in Arizona, I found a studio called Desert Dragon Pottery. It was there that I gained confidence as a potter. A lot of what I know about clay I learned from artists there. This video is dedicated to them.